Alrighty, welcome back. I'm your man, bitch, and Queen Jolene's on the camera. We have finally got the car painted, the 50 Ford. We bought it in Cape Breton. We spent 5 hours going to get it, 5 hours bringing it back, and then we spent the last month and a half, 2 months on this car. We've chopped it. We've did the French the bumpers, did the fender skirts, did the headlights. Yeah, there was quite a bit of work done to this car, and I did it all in front of your very eyes. Jolene's going to take a walk around. We'll come in and take a walk around it. I am so pleased with the paint job on it. I am pleased because of the texture of it and how smooth it looks and how straight it looks and how nice it looks. Not for 1 minute am I going to say there's no dirt in it, because that would be a lie. Let's face it, 99% of the paint jobs that are done get dirt in them. One thing I am going to say, the tarp is going to be a no-no. That's over for that. The third coat was rough. It was really rough, and the reason being is because that got worse. It got stickier, and it got rough, and it got worse. But on this video, you're going to watch me and Jolene unmask some of it, but we just want to walk you around, just show you the texture, what's going on, why high pressure. If you take a look at that paint, that's going to tell you why high pressure. Everything is smooth. Like, it really does look really good. I am very happy with it. If Jolene wants to come down this side, you can actually maybe see the side of it, how nice and straight it looks. They say you can't do that with a DA, and that's a lie. You can't get your body filled straight? Well, we know that's a lie. On this car, I did not block any of the filler unless I had a place where I had to block it. I had no choice, or I couldn't get a DA or the big 8-inch sander in there to sand it. I would go with a block, or by my hand, yes I would. But I did all the block with the 8-inch DA, 40 and 80. Primed it twice. I blocked it with an 80 just to straighten it out just a little bit more, to bring it together. And then we primed it, we give it 2 more coats, 3 more coats, and then we DA'd it off with 220, guide coated, DA'd it off with 400. And this is the product that we have. If you think for 1 minute that this is the first time that I've done this, you're mistaken. If you think it's the first time I've done it with a tarp on the floor, you are right. And it won't happen again. I'm kind of wondering if I was punked. I'm not sure. I don't even know why I went with it. The only thing I was thinking that I didn't want a whole bunch of dirt in the car, you know. It does have some in it, but the texture and the paint job and the straightness of the car is very phenomenal, in my opinion. It's phenomenal. But now we're just going to unmask it a bit, take it off slowly, and go that way. Now we're going to take, me and Jolene are going to do the unmasking, and then the next couple of days we'll put some pieces back on it and that sort of thing, and then we'll make it look like a whole car. What else am I going to say?
Do you want to open the door and show the inside how nice it is?
Jolene wants me to open the door. If you want to come on, I don't know what side you want to come on. Open the door to see how nice it is on the inside.